My name is Francisco Hernandez. I am 19 years old and I am the director and viola player of Mariachi Monarcas.
My name is Lisbeth Vallejo. I am 19 years old and I play violin and I sing in Mariachi Monarcas. I've been a member of Mariachi Monarcas since it started and we've been going for about a year and a half now.
We want to always tell people that you shouldn't forget your culture. You shouldn't be afraid to speak through the lens of your culture. That's who you are. That's your identity.
In my opinion, mariachi music is probably one of the most beautiful genres that I've ever discovered. It really opens up like a whole nother world for me. It holds a lot of meaning for me and it just makes my life a lot richer, if that makes any sense. I feel like the people around me resemble that music because they're just as expressive, they're just as strong in their words, and they mean a lot to me as well as the music does. When I'm playing mariachi music, I feel very liberated. I grew up very shy, but when I play mariachi music, I feel like I have that voice that I never did when I was younger. Being a woman in a mariachi group feels really good because you kind of get to prove like other people wrong. A lady came up to me, an older lady, and she told me, she was like, you have an amazing voice, you know, I never would have expected that out of you. And I asked her, like, what do you mean? And she said, well, because, you know, mariachi is usually men, they're the ones that are singing, they're the ones that have the powerful, strong voice, but you surprised me. I can't believe that. Like, you really changed my mind about what women can do in mariachi music.
Being on the stage, have everyone's eyes on you, being able to be the one that talks, that gives you a voice. It gives you control over the crowd. It gives you, it makes you feel important. Especially for me as a performer, it makes me feel really good about myself. Like I feel confident and I feel accomplished. Apart from that, I also got to do it with people who I grew up with. You know, what I consider my second family, my friends that I always spend all my time with and that I've been playing with for years.
One of my biggest goals as a musician is obviously to become a professional, and not only in just mariachi, but, you know, becoming a studio musician, being able to record, being able to write my own music, and being able to make a name for ourselves. I think that's probably one of my biggest goals, to be known worldwide. Sorry.